Hi everyone, today I'm here with my promised 3 looks 1 palette using the Glam palette from Natasha Denona. For the first look, I'm going for more of a horizontal gradient winged look. I blow through this look pretty quick because honestly it was pretty simple. I first used this darker shimmer on my outer corner to shape the eye. And then I use this color here for the middle. I begin blocking out the lower lash line with the same shades, and then I use the lightest color here on the inner corner. A lot of my footage was completely off camera, so I didn't really have much I could use, but as you can see, it's very simple. I just wanted to create a look where I wasn't really using any of the mattes because this is a very shimmer heavy palette, and the fun thing about having monolids is that if you use shimmers, there's no creasing.
Any ideas?
I just used a little bit of mascara to complete this eye look, and now I will zoom you out so you can see the rest of the face. Here I paired it with a bit more of a dramatic blush application, and then I completed it with a simple My Lips But Better pink lip. So it looks pretty dramatic, but once the whole face is complete, it actually looks surprisingly daily appropriate. For the second look, I'm doing more of a Korean inspired eyeline look. So it's kind of like the eyeshadow is in the shape of the eyeliner and it's kept more tight to my lash line. So first, as you can see here, I'm blocking out the eyeliner shape using the darker color in the palette. I wing out my eyeliner more horizontally this time to elongate my eyes. I then start working on blending it all out to make it look more like an eyeshadow look. You can see how that really softened up the darker color. Then I add a little bit of that first eyeshadow I used on my inner corner. This will make my eyes appear a little more cat-like. I like to do this as opposed to trying to add eyeliner on top of my epicanthic folds. I then add the shimmer point, so kind of like my own personal addition to this look. You could keep it all matte if you wanted, but I love adding shimmer. I keep the shimmer above the matte eyeshadows I laid down. I don't want to destroy all of that hard work. I then warm up the look a little bit with this cool gold, and again, as you can see, I'm keeping it above the eyeliner. It just adds a little bit more interest. Then I'm going to mirror that look on the lower lash line. So I have the gold shimmer on the middle of my lower lash line, and then I put the silver shimmer on the inner corner of my lower lash line. I then at the end decided maybe that I should add some of that dark eyeshadow color I used first to the outer corner of my lower lash line just to balance it out. Finally, I'm accentuating the eyeliner look with a little bit of liquid eyeliner. I then draw in some fake lower lashes. And here's the finished look, again just with some mascara. I tried to go a little lighter on the blush, but I ended up accidentally over applying again. And again, you can see I paired it with a pinky lip. This last look is my personal favorite look. It is an extremely dark and dramatic smoky eye. I am first starting out by taking this mid-tone brown color and I'm just dumping it all over my upper eyelid. There's very little fallout from this eyeshadow palette, so I really can just go crazy and really pack on the pigment. I did accidentally blow it out a little bit too much, so I just used my sponge that I applied my foundation with to clean it up a little bit. I'm now taking the darkest matte eyeshadow in the palette. As you can see, I've been using this a lot in this video, and I'm using that to really add the smokiness. On the inner corner, I kind of let the dark eyeshadow float below it, my actual lash line a little bit. This helps create the illusion of a larger eye. And then you just make sure you blend well. Finally, just for a little bit of interest and a little bit of glitz and glam, I added this inner corner color to the inner corner of my eyes, focusing mostly on filling that empty space I left earlier. As you can see, my eyes now look a lot bigger. I added some false lashes to complete this look, and then I paired it with the classic red lip. Thank you so much for watching.